Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we will teach you really quickly how you can copy the format of your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets only without actually copy pasting the data from one spreadsheet or from one sheet to another. Let us show you how to do that, guys. It is very simple. So head over to Google Sheets and access the spreadsheet you would like to copy the format from. Let's say, for example, you have a table like this, and now you would like to copy that table to new sheets or to new spreadsheets without the featured data here, like for example these names or these numbers, only the format, meaning for example the color, that border here, and so on and so forth. So basically anything without the cell content. So this is how you can do it, guys. It is very simple. Simply highlight the entire table, and what you want to do after that, guys, is press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. And after that, let's say for demonstration purposes, let me create a completely new sheet by clicking on Add Sheet in the bottom left. And here in your sheet, guys, simply highlight the cells where you'd like to place your table in. And after that, guys, click on Edit, but instead of copy pasting it directly by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard, hover your mouse over the option below, which is Paste Special. Here to the right, select Format Only. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+V on your keyboard, or if you're using a Mac, Command+Alt+B. And that's basically it. That is going to apply and paste only the format. As you can see, none of these numbers and names from that sheet here have been copied to that new sheet, only the format. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.